YouTube?
Yeah.
Is it going?
It's going.
Oh my gosh. Hey, dude.
I can't really see you. I need to see you in the light. Come closer. Okay, now I can see you.
Hi, dudettes. Watch my shoot.
Whoa! Whoa! Oh. Nice one.
Why?
I don't think I...
Do you like it?
I can't understand you with that accent.
Oh, come on. No fair. You can understand Jackson with his accent.
Okay, run, skate. Run. Okay, let's see you do something hard. Skate hard.
What?
Skate hard. And then shoot. That's it. Hey, 2-footed stops. Shoot. Nice shot. Is that it for the video?
No.
In the net.
Do you want to see how fast first shot can go?
Yes. Okay, this isn't a very exciting video.
I know, I'm looking through the cup. Okay, you are so not purpose, aren't you?
Yes, I am. Okay, say bye.
Wait!
Nice shot.
Yeah! Go me! Uh-huh!
That's a good shot. Okay, it's time for you to come in.
Oh, I see stick handling.
What? Yeah, let's see your stick handling. Yep, that's good stick handling. Shoot! Nice shot.
Oh yeah! Go me!
Go, baby. Okay, say bye.
Do that.
Say bye.
See you on my next hockey skating video.
Hockey skating video?
Oh yeah!
You should do a how-to video.
What?
You should do a how-to video. How to
What?
skate.
Oh,
How to skate, how to shoot. Do you know how to skate backwards?
Yeah?
You can teach other kids.
Okay, God.
Hard. Big C's. That's pretty good. Big C's, that's it. He's just learning. And then
Let's do figure eight.
that forward pass, hard, right to the net. 2-footed stop. That's what we're talking about. Okay, say bye.
Bye, dudettes. Sick.
Sick?
Yeah.
Okay, that's sick. That means that's a good. Hey, I work hard on that ice. I want you to bust it up. That's pretty sick. Okay, bye.
Bye, dude.